Placing this freaking door. So what I'm gonna do, pop these things in. Let's save these. Let's go around this door here. Oh, wait. Take this out. Couple T25s. So, a few electrical connectors, push in. This one's got a little safety. Just pull that out, push in. Things don't come out. Let's get this one. Press in. Press in. And flip this over. Sometimes you gotta go that way. Pull one out. Now, a couple T25 bits again. Go for this handle. Try this one. 10mm. Down. Off of there. Just pop this right on. Pull it down. Go ahead and just disconnect this. This we're gonna push in. This just unplugged. You might have to wiggle a little bit. It's uncomfortable. The handle doesn't want to come out. Twist it right out, twist it left. Don't waste my time because I don't even need this handle. So I'm just going to clip this right on out. One down here. Another one right there. And I guess just pop that on down. And we can slide that through. So I don't have to have so much difficulty now because we could just pop this. Like that. And pop that right out. Because I do not want to damage my cable. Okay. And got everything linked up. Put the new door on. Now this one's just going to plug right in because my switches, this is moved onto here. So it's actually integrated within these plugs now instead of up there. Let me start with the door handle actually. That's why I like this one better because this one just plop in. Door handle there. Put this right up. Okay, make sure it's opened. I got it closed right now. Alright. Snap in. Handle. Handle through. silver plugs. It's actually pretty perfect there. Go ahead and pop everything on. Make sure it's in the right spot though. Good. Pretty good. Just gotta put on 10mm back. Put on this in here. Right. Switch. So. Put it in there. Piece in there. Yeah, just pop these bad boys in. That's it. Everything works. It's a lot better too than that other door. A lot better. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching.